Trent Williamsian a thil ton hi TikTok lama hian arom pho chuaka Trent Williamsian ani tin nun dan chi hrang te chu a TikTok account lama hian arom post thina rum khat chu paranormal thil hi aron tel ve tlat maya rum khat khwal buk Airbnb a hian a thian panian chuan thlengin thil danglam tak mai hi an tong duna he khwal buk nei tu fanu hi punrei lutuk lo liam ta khan boralin thil danglam deuh hi heng khwal buk a hian a thleng le zeu thina hei wang hian khwal buk nei tu pa po hian mi khwal te hne na chuan thil engemaw deuh a chuan hriat tir turin alo soi sa thin ani ome ilo en teang
I'm fucking telling you, this place is fucking haunted. Do you heard that?
Yeah, I can't do this shit. It's so scary.
No, you go in there with me.
Yes. You have to go first.
Just stay fucking behind me, fuck you. It fucking keeps playing, I swear. No, dude, I'm not going up in that bitch. It's this piano, I swear to God it is. No, dude, you got me fucked up. If I die, I swear, I will. Oh, God. Oh, shit! Dude, no.
Trent Williams at thian dun hian an thlen na room an omlo na lampanga hian thom hria in an ve en dun deka mi hringemaw thla lampang thil ron in lar chu eng thil ma a omlo ma se Hlauhawm deuh taka hetian en reng lai hian piano chu ama chuan aron rithut maya lau bak lengin an tlan che zui ta ni riak zui ngam takang mo hei ba khi chu update eng thil ma an nei zui to lova an thleng zui to lo ani mel khop mai ani tupa fanu thla chuan aron fiam ve te po ani mai thei ani he video hi pako hian a channel lama hian aron posa he thil hi a chenina thil thleng ni in ama pako hi paranormal investigator chu ani ve hrim maya eng thil chi ange he chenina hian a ton chu niang in enteang
quieran preguntar porque ya me voy a ir a dormir. Ah, caray. ¿Quién se metió? Están golpeando la puerta. Uy, están escuchando. Ay. No hay nadie. Ay. Estoy yo solo aquí. Se escuchan lamentos. No, no hay viento, no hay viento. Mira, tengo la ventana medio abierta, no hay viento. Es como si la estuvieran azotando. Ven. Uy, eso no es aire. Oye. Eso no es aire. Cabrón, está más fuerte. No hay nadie. No hay nadie, miren. No hay nadie. No hay nadie.
Pako hian akong khar lama thomron chu hria in ama ania ave en la khan eng thil ma a hmu bok si lova eng thil chung ani tang le Pako hi thla lampang tuipui mi ani ve hrim maya eng thil muni tak chuan ati boi ve ani mel khop mai ati ra heng thil te hi haute angin lang thin ma se hunte an ve deuh hnu chuan heng thil thleng te hian zual lampang apan tul du khop maya phim khur taka ma alak vat chu angai ve nge yang le Daniel Brown hian YouTube channel siam ve in he account na hian video pakhat tlong mai hi a pho chuak ve nol maya ma se he video hi thil satlia mai ni lovin a thil ton Hlauhawm zet mai hi ania a chen nei in ngei maya a thil ton chu a phone camera chuan alo la a ilo en teang.
Weeks ago, I was just sitting in my lounge room, just on my computer, chilling, watching some YouTube, and I heard footsteps track from about here, going into the bedroom, even though the door was closed. But no shit, I was sitting here by myself, right there on my setup, and all I... the fuck was that? Hearing that? Did you just fucking hear that? Just as I'm talking about it. Come on, happen again. Come on. Keep going. Keep it going. Sounds like someone's trying to open this door. Bear in mind, there are no windows open in here. There are no windows or doors open in here right now, so I can't explain what is happening. I keep hearing footsteps, doors fluttering. These lights seem to flicker every now and then, but I'm just thinking that's an electrical issue. Me again. Come on. Alright. There's no one. What the fuck, I swear to God. I don't know what's going on. Something's going on in here and it's interesting and I love it. It's amazing.
A bedroom kong khar hi chung lampang atanga ron hon tumtu ang tak hian aron oma ma se Hlauhawm chunga avo hong chu eng thil ma alo tlat lo thil thleng pat satlia chu ani mel chi lova a chen nei in hi eng thil muni tak chuan a chen chil ani mai thei ani chuti rualin hei bak video dang anei lo wangin eng thil nge thleng zel ti hi hriat thei ani talovani pathian zara a tha zel tura ngai phot mayang. Mosa ji hian a YouTube channel lama hian paranormal lampang thil hi aron post thina in rang hun rang an fan na chi rang ta chu aron da thina rum khat chu tunnel pakhat kul pakhat noya hi an tlowa report then khata alan danin he hmuna lu then khat te chu boralin then khat te chu an bo hlen ta ni ten an soi bokani he tunnel hian peng rang nein bo po ol deuh tur chu alo ni ve reng maya eng explorer ho hian phur tak chung chuan helai mun hi panin an luta engen ton niang in en teang.
Yep. Whoa, it's a little tight.
It's weighted, yeah. It's weighted. Well, no, it's just tight.
We should have to duck underneath it.
You have to duck under.
Yeah, we gotta duck underneath
That's
this thing.
tight. All right, let's go. All right, we're doing this.
Under the chain.
You gotta duck too.
We're almost at the tunnel. Oh, my bad.
Okay, here's the tunnel.
There's a tunnel right there.
Oh my God, we're getting close.
Yo, literally, if we didn't have Matthew, we would never discover this.
No, never. This is like off limits, right?
Yeah, it's off limits, and I think there've been about 20 people who've gone in on boats, but they've never found them since.
In here?
Then the bodies were never found. So.
Oh my God.
God.
I think there have been about 3 boats that floated out here, but without their
Oh, it looks so creepy down there. Look at that.
Oh my god.
So this is kind of like the Bermuda Triangle, but like the duck is like.
Oh, you can see it? Sounds like someone's dying in there.
This is the creepiest thing ever. This is so creepy.
Oh,
You guys love doing that, right?
this is scary. Are there any spirits in these tunnels? There's that tunnel again.
Listen, can you hear that?
Oh, go, right now. Go, right now, Matthew.
Okay.
Come on, full speed, please.
Oh my god, it came from down there.
Is that?
Bro, it came from down there. Remember when I told you I heard of something?
Is that the fastest this thing goes?
Okay, you'll just have to do it.
What the hell was that? Oh my god. We all heard that, right?
I think it was coming down the tunnel.
That little one, right?
The little one, yeah. That leads into the big river, so I mean, you know, anything could be in that
I don't know
river.
if I camera or not, but something's here, guys.
Get us out of here, dude.
Something's with us.
Matthew, have you ever encountered anything that can make noises like that down here?
I haven't heard anything quite like that. I've heard splashes, like things like fishes come out of the water, but nothing that was like that
Is
loud.
it still behind us? I don't hear it anymore. I don't know.
I think it might have just given up because we're moving.
Tlema an han lut thuk deuh chu mei che tre Hlauhawm ni om tak hi aron om thut maya patling the tho e ti lo chuan an phu in an hlau tlang hle maya man mo takin an let zui ta ni an mani ni lo midangkal an om mel bok si lova mak veng reng deuh chu ni an zinga ho tu ber chuan hetiang hian asuya kum tam tak chung chu helai hmuna hian voi tam tak alo lu to thu le hetiang ang thil hi a voi khat ton na ani thu a soi ve bok ani helai hmun hi a rang ani theingem eng thil tak nge thleng khani tang le Dennis Dangos paranormal hian tum khat chu kumthum liam towa alo tlo to hmun in rang hi atlo non leya hei ina hian nupa hi chiang thinin an nu jok chu natlok em po om lovin aboral ta thut maya chutiaril rulama in peilo taka alboral wang chunge ni don ni athla chuan an che ne in chu ala chua san lo ni in an soi ni thomak pui te chu a om fo maya an bungrua te chu an mani te chuan a chele fo mai thina in nei tupa tan hi chuan tor chu a hardu khopang le hun masalama thil thlengte ilo en le thuak te ang an soi zel danin a pasal po hi an pui thla hian ati boina sat ema wangin a boral pha ta hial ani ome rum masalama thil thlengte rereng chung chuan Denisian hei in hi panin bul chu a tran le ta ni
Началось.
chung hun rang a chuan thawm ngai no beilo zet mai chu ron omin bungrua te chu ron che in brick rem hlui to tak te chu a ron chim rum maya eng thil dang nge ron thleng zel ilo en teang thil dan atanga chiang ta em mai chu Dennis he hmuna Hlauhawm hian alo lom te chiam lo ti chu a chiang reng maya kalbo wat tur chuan a duani hmel khop mai lo welcome lo hle ma se he hmun chu san wat tum na chu anei hran lawa eng thil tinge aton zel in en teang Denisian thlarau no kian na spirit trap an ti mang chuan he hmuna thlarau om chu no kian chu atuma lo tling takang mo in en chun zom le teang
Есть, попалась.
thom le thil che chi hrang na sataka a om nu chuan huneng mo chen nuwa chuan heng paranormal activity te po hian zia lampang chu ron panin thlarau helai hmuna om chu a hnot bota ni chuan a in hria a hmun hrim po hi a hluin a roi to hle ti a chiang reng maya thla lampang wang ni kher lo poin a hmun hrim hi a him lo ti a chianga a chim mayang ti te po Hlauhawm takani nang ni la nang mai in helai hmuna hian ikal ve ngamangem le